Alright guys, and welcome back to Pirate Problems, fixing the scenario. So we are here at the Earth bunker. First thing I'm going to do is depower that sucker, because I do not trust it. Right then, let's get into it. So approach with caution. But in theory, it's going to be fine. Apart from it's dark again. But we can soon fix that, can't we, with some admin tool abuse. There we go. Put the lights in. Awesome. So, the problem with this one was the interior turrets aren't working. And I have absolutely no idea why. What the hell was that? Everything's supposed to be off. Ah, yes. The little demons. So why aren't these working then? Do we know? They're on. Do they have correct ownership? I won't know until I spawn in, by which point it could all go very, very wrong. I'm here. I have no light. And the base is shut down, so this is going to be pretty much impossible to see then, isn't it? Apparently I have a... Oh yeah, we're on planet, aren't we? Ah, it's there. No, it's down as pirate. Was... No, there. Yeah, space pirates. So why that didn't... Have I nuked the range? Nope. Ammo. Don't they have ammo? I can't see a damn thing. This is going to be impossible. Ah. Ah. That works. It's white. So do you have ammo? Yes, they have ammo. So why they were not shooting at me, I have... This clearly is not white down here though. It's white, there's just less light. Now, they've all got ammo, so I have absolutely no idea why these weren't working. I'm thinking I've just overloaded it somehow. Strange. Very strange. Right, I don't think there's any... Where the hell am I? I'm in between floors, aren't I? Yes, just go up. There we go. Simple. Sorted. Right, slow it down a bit. Who are you? You are the Atmo Pendragon. Yep. Speed it up a bit more than that. You are the Wyvern. Awesome. I need to do timer again, don't we? With batteries and whatnot. So what are you guys then? Your headquarters. Right, here we go. Headquarters. Remote drone assembly. Mining operation site. Right, they're all the in-game ones. So what are you two? Cursor, yep. U92s. Awesome, right then. The swapping those around would probably be a better idea, wouldn't it? You know, having the headquarters and that up top. I just can't remember all the informations and what they all spawn. Yeah, it'll be fine, I'll get over it. So I need my spawners in a list. I don't know where I've hid that list. I did have it all written down, I don't know where it's... Bear with me a second, I've got to go do some digging. Oh, Windows 11 and having tabs unfolded is awesome. I believe I have... It's our projects, there we go. AP, what's AP stuffs? I don't know, random file. I have absolutely no idea. Oh, autopillock. Ah! Or Pollock. Pillock or Pollock. PP notes. Nope. There we go. You guys can't see what I'm doing because it's on a different screen. I've not set OB up just to work with that, so sorry, you just have to bear with me for a second. Right then, headquarters, remote drone assembly, and the mining operations site. They're the in-game ones that are playing silly buggers. I've only actually got 3 spawns. 4 spawns for atmosphere. There just doesn't seem to be any prefabs that Keen have done that really play in atmosphere. So we'll just have to throw more out there, I suppose. Kind of takes the fun out of it, but it is what it is. Right, so I need a headquarters and a remote drone assembly up top. Now control and pasting this would probably be easy, wouldn't it? Let's go control paste. Control copy it back in here. Okay, you do that. So you just got sent in there as a headquarters. Awesome. The headquarters, he didn't name it. Why didn't you name it? Oh, you. It's not having it, is it? Why? So I can't paste it, but I can do that. What the? GIF on the end. Well, why can't you? You have to type the whole thing out. Yes. Control paste doesn't work. How does the... I have no idea. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We just have to type it all in. This was at 4K. That was at 5K. I don't know if it would matter or not. I don't know what range these things have. So, remote drone assembly. Remote drone assembly. Yep. Good. Not going to work. Yes. Awesome. Let's change that up to 5. So that's 5. Back down into here. Right then. Change these around. 2.5. I suppose that kind of works, doesn't it? Now we'll increase that. What we're going to call this one then? This needs to be rangefinder. And we're probably better off being 15 again, just to make it really annoying. I'm going to boost up the weapons. What am I doing? That's the battery. I don't want the battery. I want that. There we go. Headquarters. No. You are going to be... Cursor. Pirate problems. Cursor. Pirate problems. Awesome. And I need a little bit more range on you, buddy. Rather than having the in-game stuff, I'm going to do another cursor PP and have a shed load of them idiots running around.
Fuel
There we
critical.
go. Fuel's dead. We know this. Been dead a while. That's holding shift, not control, so that ain't going to do nothing. Then a U92. U92 could be awesome. Change that to 5 again.
No energy.
I thought, okay. Holding control does 10. There we go. 5,000. 2 PP. Awesome. So then we've got the wyverns, the pendragons coming out down the bottom. Those ones are up top. I have no idea what was going on with the interiors. I can't do much about that. So we are good. But now we need to power it all back up again. So I am going to have to bring my little character down, aren't I? And hope for the best. Oh, that character already here somewhere, isn't he? In the darkness. Yeah, I'm going to get darkness. That's what it's... Why is this... Very sensitive, isn't it, Spectator? I think you can turn it down, but I'm not sure how off the top of my head. Right, so if I slap... Oh, now it'll paste. What? Well, if it's going to work, it's going to work. That's all that really matters, isn't it? As long as it works. So... Battery... There's a lot of batteries. Yeah, finding them would be a real ass. So, bats... There's quite a few reactors in here as well. Yeah, there is. Jump out of there, come back in here, set up the actions, groups, bats on, reactors on, 10 seconds, start. We need to get the character out of here, don't we? Yes. Oh, 10, back into entity list. Where is the recon miner? Get your little butt back over here where you're safe. Didn't it work? Control space. There we go. Don't leave him over there. That would suck. Pirate Earth Bunker. We're back. Space. That's too fast. Right, we're over here. Okay, so he's out the way. This is all going to work nicely. We're going to throw this on, which is going to start that, and in 10 seconds the rest of this base is coming to life. Yes? Maybe? Please work. And relax. That is actually a rather good idea. Until I can find a magical on button somewhere. That does work very well. So. Sorted. Another one bites the dust. Right, let's go check the list then, see what else we've got to tweak around here. I didn't put a rangefinder in, did I? No! Rangefinder wouldn't work. Because rangefinder's not atmospheric. Bother. Do the Hornets use hydrogen, or do the Hornets use, I don't know. Oh, it's an easy way to find out. Get your ass over there. That's like 15 kilometers, isn't it? I've got to leg it now. Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, yes, it is. I think we're making good progress. Speed up a bit. We've got the top of this mountain here. Right now I need to get the Hornet, don't I? So that's Windows, into the folders. I need to find the mod itself, into prefabs, pull out the Hornet GG2. We're going to copy that file. So guys, just kind of bear with me. Back into local blueprints, create a new folder. It's supposed to be Hornet, but I've missed the H and the R. Paste the blueprint in there. Rename the blueprint to just BP. Open the blueprint in Notepad++ and change everything with the word prefab to ship blueprint. Should be 6 things to change. So if we save that, come back into the game where you guys are, and come in here, we should have a Hornet available to spawn in. There it is, and I didn't need to because I've already got it. Apparently I've already done this testing. This is the one that's currently in there. I'd say it's hydrogen. It is hydrogen. Which means it will... Woo! It will fly in atmosphere then. I may need to do another one though. I'm sure there's an atmospheric thing you've got to tick somewhere. But that will work in atmosphere, that's good. If I lock this, can I bring you guys along with this search? Possibly. It would be desktop scene. Ah, there you go. We're here. Spawn groups. Where are you? Here we go. I've got rid of the behaviour, haven't I? Yes. There's nothing about that in there. So if I throw us up into here, we do have to go looking in here, don't we? Content, data, drone behaviour or pirate drone behaviour? Drone behaviours. Awesome. Default direct, I believe, was it, wasn't it? Yes. Anything about planet? Nothing about a planet. Damn it. That's just that. I need this one. Use planet hover. Could that be the one? Default distant. Ooh. Carrier. There's a few in here. Grinder bot, that's useless. Drill bot, that's not what we're after. Default dummy. Nope. Station grinder, still not grinding. C. What's C? Just an alternate. Bumblebee. Close range, long range. Tunnel drill, large drone, sea mine, planet drone. Use planet hover. Right, so the default directed business. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this words. I'm gonna have to create a new one. I think it's gonna get a little bit carried away with bits otherwise. I'm guessing this is the distance between the floor. It's using the pirate script, that's all, not the automaton's business. So it's got the all weapons in there, so yeah. Right, so I'm going to need another one of these idiots. Ugh. Or do I? Right, so we're going to nick this. This is going to be our space one. And then we're going to go and nick this, and we're going to create an atmospheric one. Or AT. For atmospheric. So that's that. And then we're going to come back over here. Ah, the one that's actually in game at the minute is the one off the workshop, so it's not even picking up on this. Whoops. Yeah, it's Hornet T2. I need spawn groups. Control, copy, This one should go in front of that. Oh, T2 was test, wasn't it? Call it a T3, which is kind of weird having it that way around. Drone behavior, I need planet drone, correct? I think that's one we have to nick. Default direct. Yeah. So not default direct. We need T3 and he is simple as that. That should be done. Famous last words and all that. But hopefully that is now given us the option of another Hornet. So I need to go back into the game and change that little bit around, don't I? Rangefinder AT. And I have just powered that base back up. Oh, this is going to be brutal. I did remove that thing. What is tapping? Tappy, tappy, tappy. Give up. Was it F10? Do we have a Hornet spawned in here somewhere? No, we don't. Good. Right, so Pirate Earth Bunker. We're back. Right, who's the range finder? Because it's getting dark. Remote drone assembly. Headquarters, that's those guys. So I guess we're in here. Cursor. Come on. Rangefinder, there we go. Needs to be AT. Champion. I think everything I wanted to do has been done. Yes. So the only other option I have to do now then is add a weapon core version, which is basically giving shields to everything. Because I was thinking about just doing this and having the option, but the option only works with the spawners. Everything that's actually in game would require defense shields added as a mod, which would require a weapon core, otherwise it's invulnerable. And you can't select mods at the start of a scenario, you have to run it and then take it out. So as soon as you logged in, and I could set it up with defense shields in there, but as soon as you started it without the mod, it would not spawn any of them. And then when you saved it and put the mods in, they'd be gone. So none of the stations would have a shield, so I'm going to have to do a separate, which is not that bad, but a shame. But it's just the way it all works, isn't it? Unless there's a way you can choose mods at the start of the scenario. I don't think there is there? I haven't seen one. It's just the way scenarios are, isn't it? Yeah. Oh well. It'll be fine. But that's all the patchwork done that I need to do. Now we're just playing around with ships again. And changing the spawners. You know, making them a little bit more aggressive. But we can do that another day. Or perhaps it'll be tomorrow's episode. Whatever guys, I'm going to call this one there. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope you're learning something. Just thinking of that little timer trick has been a godsend. I could have done that before. Oh well, better late than never. We'll catch you next time. Laters.